In fact, let's tell you about how the fact that during the British Raj in India, a sign hung outside clubs and gymkhanas and restaurants and parks that read, "Dogs and Indians are not allowed." It was racist, it was discriminatory, it was against every tenet of decency and equality. 78 years after the British left, the signs are gone. But let's tell you, the fact that the bigotry still affects urban India. Now, housing societies across India are happy to accept dogs and Indian, but only of a certain kind. So if you're gay, lesbian, single, an air hostess, a model, a Dalit, non-vegetarian, you are not welcome. And God save you if you are looking to buy or rent a home, a Muslim ladder. There are no signs to stop you, but passive untouchability will simply not allow you to enter. Even if the house has been allocated to you by the government, you will be bullied into keeping away. This is exactly what happened to a Muslim government employee in Vadodara. In Vadodara, a neighborhood of 461 Hindu families claimed that their safety is threatened by one Muslim woman. Believe it or not, they have written to authorities claiming that there are no Muslims staying in the vicinity for 4 kilometers. And so this woman, a government employee, should not be allocated a home in the society. For them, having a Muslim woman living among them would be akin to setting fire to their peaceful lives. And therefore, the government mandated allotment of a house to this government employee must be invalidated.
ये बड़ौदा शहर का हरणी विस्तार है और हरणी विस्तार में मुख्यमंत्री आवास योजना के 3 जगह आवास बनाई गई है। मोशनर रेसिडेंसी जो है वो आवास योजना में एक आवास लघुमती को दे दिया गया है। लास्ट 5 साल से हम ये आवास रद्द हो जाए इसके लिए अर्जी दे रहे हैं। कमिश्नर, कलेक्टर कचहरी सभी जगह पे दे रहे हैं, लेकिन आवास रद्द नहीं हो रहा है। कहीं न कहीं जो योजना है तो हिंदू के विस्तार में लघुमती को नहीं देना चाहिए और लघुमती के विस्तार में हिंदू को आवास नहीं देना चाहिए। ये वडोदरा महानगर पालिका का नियम है, लेकिन कहीं न कहीं वडोदरा शहर के शासन में बैठे सत्ताधीश या कोई बड़े उच्च अधिकारी ये आवास रद्द कर नहीं रहे। अगर ये आवास रद्द नहीं होता तो जो हमारे हिंदू लोग जो है कहीं न कहीं उनकी भावनाओं को ठेस भी पहुंच रही है कि हमारे विस्तार में लघुमती को आवास क्यों दिया है। कहीं न कहीं आवास रद्द हो जाए ऐसी हमारी मांग है। और देखने जाए तो आसान धारा का भी यहाँ वडोदरा महानगर पालिका कहीं न कहीं उल्लंघन कर रही है। तो आगामी दिन में हम वडोदरा शहर के जो भी नगर सेवक है, धारा सभ्य, सांसद सभ्य, उन सबका घेराव करेंगे। और हमें लघुमती से विरोध नहीं है, लेकिन ये आवास खाली करके उनको लघुमती विस्तार में आवास दिया जाए, यही हमारी मांग है।
Now, anyone who lives or has lived in Gujarat knows that this is the rule rather than the exception. And it all stems from the Disturbed Areas Act, a legislation which mandates that all property deals in the state must be approved from the district collector and is usually invoked in cases of the Hindu-Muslim transactions. It's a 1991 legislation that was enacted in the aftermath of communal rights, which gives unusual powers to neighbors to object if they see a sale of a Hindu property to a Muslim home. But here's the kicker. The Disturbed Areas Act, which has been cited by the residents protesting in Vadodara, is not even applicable in this case because the house has been given to the government employee as part of the Mukhyamantri Awas Yojana. Listen in.
હરણી ખાતે LIG મકાનો છે જે આ રજૂઆત આવી છે એ લગભગ 2018માં દસ્તાવેજ થયેલો છે। જે તે વખતે એ એરિયામાં અસાનધારો નહોતો અને સરકારશ્રીની યોજનાઓ છે એમાં કોઈ ધર્મ આધારિત ફાળવણી કરવામાં નથી આવતી। આપણે કોઈને પણ એવું મનાઈ ના કરી શકીએ, અલગ જાતિ હોય કે કોઈ પણ હોય તો આપણે એમને ના પાડી શકીએ, દરેક એલાવ થાય। આ વસ્તુની નિયંત્રણ અસાનધારાથી થાય। અસાનધારો હોય કલેક્ટર।
But it's not just Gujarat. In neighboring Rajasthan's capital, Jaipur, posters have been put in the old city, appealing to Hindus to not sell their properties to non-Hindus. Why? Because the locals are afraid of the change in a demography by the Muslim community. Listen in to this ground report. All right, we'll continue to track that as far as is concerned.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.